Meet Sarah, the CFO of a growing business, who set her sights on merging her systems with the cloud to improve her business's scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. However, Sarah also understood the risks. Without the right architecture, her company could face confusing cost models, unexpected charges, and a maze of cloud environments. The decision wasn't straightforward. Relying solely on a hyperscaler's perspective limited her from the full spectrum of possibilities and risks. That's when Sarah discovered Provision Networks. They offered a comprehensive review of her company's cloud architecture, found areas for improvement, and identified savings opportunities. Using a hybrid cloud solution, Provision Networks combine the best of both on-premises and cloud services, helping Sarah's enterprise on a path to a more effective cloud environment. Contact Provision Networks to find the perfect cloud solution today with a free, well-architected review.